To verify your WorldRemit account, follow these steps. Log into your account. Visit the WorldRemit website or open the app, then log in using a registered email and password. Check verification requirements. Navigate to the account settings or profile section to see the verification requirements. These may vary depending on your country and the amount of money you want to send. Submit required documents. Identity verification. Upload a government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Address verification. Provide proof of address such as a utility bill, bank statement, or official government correspondence. Ensure the document is recent and displays your name and address clearly. Source of funds. For higher transfer limits, you may need to provide proof of income or bank statements. Upload documents. Use the document upload feature on the website or app. Ensure the files are clear, legible, and in acceptable formats. Wait for review. Once submitted, WorldRemit will review your documents. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. You will receive a confirmation email when your account is verified. Contact support if needed. If verification is delayed or unclear, reach out to WorldRemit's customer support for assistance.